Hello students, welcome back. In the last class, we understood what ecology is and we discussed various levels of ecological organization from organism to biosphere. We also explored what ecosystems are and how energy flows through producers, consumers, and decomposers.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, I didn't clearly understand the difference between a food chain and a food web.
Good question. A food chain is a single linear path of energy flow like grass grows in the field. A grasshopper eats the grass. A frog eats the grasshopper. A snake eats the frog. An eagle eats the snake. A food web, on the other hand, is a network of interconnected food chains. It shows how one organism can be a part of multiple chains. That makes food webs more realistic in nature. Now let's discuss the 10% law proposed by Raymond Lindemann. According to this law, only 10% of the energy at one trophic level is transferred to the next. The rest is lost as heat. So, if a plant gets 1000 units of energy from sunlight, only 100 units will be passed to the herbivore, 10 to the carnivore, and just 1 unit to the top carnivore. There are three types of ecological pyramids. First is the pyramid of numbers. It shows the number of individuals at each trophic level. Second is the pyramid of biomass. It represents the total mass of living organisms. Third is the pyramid of energy, which always remains upright because energy keeps reducing at every level. Ecosystems do not waste anything. All elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus move in cycles between living and non-living components. These are called biogeochemical cycles. Let's understand the carbon cycle. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air during photosynthesis. Animals eat these plants and release go back into the air through respiration. Decomposers also release carbon from dead matter. Human activities like burning fossil fuels add excess carbon to the atmosphere. Now the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is essential for proteins and DNA. Nitrogen fixation, special bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Nitrification, ammonia is converted into nitrites and nitrates. Assimilation, plants absorb nitrates. Ammonification, decomposers convert dead matter into ammonia. Denitrification, nitrates are converted back into nitrogen gas.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, which bacteria are involved in nitrogen fixation?
Excellent. Bacteria like rhizobium, found in the root nodules of leguminous plants, fix nitrogen. Others include Azotobacter and Clostridium in the soil. Unlike carbon and nitrogen, phosphorus does not cycle through the atmosphere. It is a sedimentary cycle. It comes from rocks and soil. Plants absorb phosphate, animals eat the plants, and when they die, decomposers return phosphorus to the soil. Finally, let's understand ecological succession. It's the natural process by which ecosystems evolve over time. Primary succession occurs in places where no life existed, like bare rocks after a volcanic eruption. Secondary succession happens in areas that had life earlier but got disturbed, like after a forest fire. Eventually, a climax community is formed, a stable and mature ecosystem.